Fundraising is a relationship business, and relationships live in conversations. This log captures every donor call and meeting, what was said, what was asked, and what each side promised. Let me open it. We just had a call with the Dangote Foundation about the school feeding grant. I log it while it is fresh. Every conversation must be tied to what it is about, so the report can always show the full context. This call is about the school feeding pledge, so I link it there. It is required, not optional. The most important part is the next action. When I write one here, ZetaFisc turns it into a follow-up task automatically, so nothing slips. Every field is filled, so I save the conversation. The call is now on the donor's timeline, with the method, the discussion and the next action all captured. And here is the automatic part. Over in follow-ups, ZetaFisc has already created the task from that next action, assigned to Ton and dated, without me lifting a finger. That next action is now Ton's. Ton is another fundraising officer with his own donation seat, so he signs in to update the very conversation I logged. This is now Ton Alabi, see the name at the top right. He opens the conversation's log. Ton can open and edit the call I logged, even though I created it. He has sent the documents, so he updates the outcome. He says it. Every conversation now has its own detail page. Ton opens it from the I button on the row. The whole conversation on one page, the donor, who spoke to them, the channel and date, what it is related to, what was discussed and the outcome, and the next step we agreed. And at the foot of the page, the complete activity history. Two different people on one record, Ada Okafor logged the call, and Ton Alabi updated the outcome after acting on it, each change shown as the old value against the new value, with a name, an avatar and a timestamp. Every touch on a donor relationship is captured.